Hi, I'm John Morellis, and I'm founder of the Photographer's Toolkit, my online repository for knowledge about the business of photography. If you're like most photographers, you're interested in making money doing what you love. My goal is to help you make that happen. In my 23 years as a professional photographer, I've been fortunate enough to work with fantastic clients, travel the world, and charge tens of thousands of dollars for my work. I didn't start out that way, though. When I quit my dead-end insurance company job, I had no experience and less than no money. I paid my dues as a struggling advertising photographer, desperate to unlock the combination of artistic, marketing, and business skills necessary to succeed as a professional. Although after a few years I began to make enough money to survive, my career didn't take off until I truly understood the one thing that I needed to thrive. Now, don't get me wrong, there's no shortcuts in this business. No magic wand that you or I can wave to rocket you to the top. But, and this is important, there's one thing that you have that is completely within your control and will enable you to book the jobs you love and make the money you dream about. Just last week, I got a call from a good photographer friend of mine who met with a client who was all set to book with his lower-priced competition across town. This client came in with a $3,500 budget, but using the knowledge I'll share with you, he booked them on the spot for, get this, $13,500. I can tell you he was one happy photographer. Now, to help you understand exactly what I'm talking about and how to make this fundamental principle work for you, I've created a free training course that I call the Photographer's Business Coach. From how to command top dollar for your work to ideas for a great marketing campaign, I'll share with you everything I know to help you build your business in a way that's honest, spiritually rewarding, and profitable. I'll even tell you who this photographer friend of mine is so that you can see for yourself exactly what he's doing. Just enter your email now so that we can get started.